Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly transforming our world, from the way we work and play to how we receive healthcare and education. But as AI becomes more ubiquitous, it's important to consider the ethical implications of its development and deployment. In this video, we'll discuss some of the key ethical considerations surrounding AI, including bias, privacy, and accountability. One of the biggest concerns around AI is bias. AI algorithms are only as unbiased as the data they're trained on, and if that data is biased, the AI will reflect that bias. For example, if an AI system is trained on data that disproportionately represents a certain group of people, it may produce biased outcomes that discriminate against other groups. Bias can be unintentional and arise from the data collection process or the design of the AI system. It can also be intentional, if the developers have a specific agenda or if the AI is being used to perpetuate discrimination. In either case, bias in AI can have serious consequences, from perpetuating social injustices to affecting individuals' access to resources and opportunities. Another major ethical issue with AI is privacy. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it's able to collect and analyze vast amounts of personal data, from our online activity to our physical movements. This raises concerns about who has access to this data, how it's being used, and whether individuals have control over their own personal information. For example, an AI system that monitors employees' productivity could potentially invade their privacy by collecting data on their personal activities, such as when they take breaks or use their phones. Similarly, an AI system that monitors healthcare data could compromise patients' privacy if the data is shared without their consent or used for purposes other than their healthcare. Accountability is another important ethical consideration when it comes to AI. As AI systems become more autonomous, it can be difficult to determine who is responsible for their actions. If an AI system causes harm or makes a mistake, who is held accountable? This is particularly relevant for AI systems used in critical domains such as healthcare or transportation. In these cases, accountability should be clearly defined to ensure that the responsible parties can be identified and held responsible for any negative outcomes. Overall, it's important for developers and users of AI to be aware of these ethical considerations and to work towards creating AI systems that are unbiased, respect privacy, and can be held accountable for their actions. This can be achieved through careful data collection and system design, as well as through the development of regulations and policies that ensure that AI is used in an ethical and responsible manner. Only then can we fully realize the potential of AI to benefit society without compromising individual rights and values.